Want to make Stickman videos? Let me tell you, it's easier than you think. Today, I'm going to show you how to create Stickman videos using just 3 apps. First, for editing, you need CapCut. Believe me, for editing videos on your phone, it's one of the best apps. Second, you need ChatGPT to create your script. You can ask it to write about anything. For example, you can say, "Hey, GPT, create a script about an Iran versus USA war for a long video." And boom, you'll get a perfect script. Next, ask ChatGPT to create image prompts for each sentence. Don't forget to include classic Stickman style. Now, copy one prompt and open the third app, Google Whisk. This app lets you generate unlimited images. Paste your prompt, and you'll get multiple images based on it. Download the best one. If you want to add your own voiceover, that's great. But if you prefer AI voice, you can use ElevenLabs. It gives you some free credits at the beginning. Just copy your full script, paste it into ElevenLabs, choose a voice, and click Generate. Your voiceover will be ready to download. Finally, import your generated images and voiceover into CapCut. Adjust the timing to match the voice, and your video is ready to upload. What would happen if the United States and Iran went to full-scale war? Not a small conflict, not a proxy war, but a direct confrontation between two powerful forces. No need to thank me, just subscribe to support my work. Thank you, and I wish you all success on YouTube.